Good morning, children. Today I am going to teach you first lesson of value education. Okay, children? Preparing for your life. Okay. What are the preparation you do for your life, children? That I will explain you. Like for our life, we have to have enough knowledge to gain one aim. Okay, to get into one profession, we must have the knowledge. Yes, what is knowledge? Like, you will come to the school for what? You will come for the getting the education, knowledge, knowing about the things. Children, now let me read this. Your parents send you to the school. Do you know why? They want you to acquire knowledge. Knowledge prepares you for life. Knowledge is imparted in schools through textbooks and teachers. To gain knowledge, you must work hard and do your homework regularly. Be punctual and obey your teachers. Yes, children. Now, what is the meaning of this? Means, first, your parents send you for school. What is the reason they send you for? They send you to learn something in the school, to get the knowledge, how you must lead your life, how you must compete, okay, how you must gain the knowledge, how you must ask the questions to teacher. So what you have to do, this is not only parents and teachers do, that is your involvement also should be there. What is your involvement here? When whatever teacher says, you have to understand it. And how you understand it? That way you have to do homework regularly. Regularly means doing homework daily. Okay. And be punctual. Whenever you are coming to the school, you have to be in a time. You have to obey your teachers. That means you have to listen to your teachers. Yes, the principal guides the teachers in their work. She helps the teachers plan and prepare the lessons. Teachers organize sports and games to keep you healthy. They teach you languages to enable you to express your ideas. They teach you values to become successful in life. Children, who will guide teachers? Our principal. Principal means headmistress. She will guide us. If we have any doubt, she will clearly tell us or explain about that. She will guide us in preparing our lessons. Okay, what teachers do here? We will conduct some activities in the school, like fancy dress will be there, so many sports will be there, so many games will be there. Why we keep these all things? To keep you healthy, to keep you motivated. If you get first prize or second prize, you will be very happy. So that you will participate in the next games also, in next sports also, and next activities also. Yes, and we will teach you so many languages. How many languages do you learn here? Yes, you learn 3 languages, that is English, Kannada and Hindi. And we will ask you to frame the sentence, or we'll ask you about dog and you say what is dog. You tell few lines about dogs. So few things we will tell you. The teachers teaches you values to become successful in life. What teachers will teach you? How to behave in the class, how to behave with your friends. Okay, this all who will teach you? Teachers will teach you, and even your parents, children. Before you leave the house, they will be telling, see, don't make noise in the class, don't beat anybody, don't tell lies, whatever miss is telling, you have to listen properly. Isn't it, children? Your parents also are your teachers. So you have to obey not only teachers, you have to obey your elders and parents also. Because if parents will not send you to the school, then how you will become successful in your life? Because of them, you are becoming successful. Now, Learning of mathematics and science prepares you to work for the progress of nation. Children, when you learn maths, what is a use of learning maths? See, maths is used in your day-to-day life. How? Like you go to the shop, there you buy something, then they will ask you money, there it is useful, and you have to count something, there it is useful. Even science also is so many things it is useful. Like because of science only we have invented TV, so many things. So media will help you. So much experiments will help you, like mixer, all things. Because of the science technology only, our work is so easy. Social science help you to understand the world around you, how to mingle in the society. Social science means how to behave in the society, how to maintain a relationship with your neighbors, in your society, with your colleagues, everything. Which subject will teach you? Social science. Teachers develop your talents in singing, dancing, drawing, painting, speaking, and debating. Yes, children. Here, by keeping the competitions, we will develop your skills, and so many are inbuilt talented they are. So, when they get the chance of participating in that, wholeheartedly they will come. Debating. What is debating? Debating means it is like a essay, like arguments. On one topic will be given and you have to argue on that for and against. Their main aim is to make you complete person. So these all talents will make you a complete person. Wherever you go, whichever field you go, if you are well known about that, you will be a complete person. Now, dignitaries like presidents, prime ministers, ministers, judges, too learned in the classes like you. Children, our Modi ji, maybe Jawaharlal Nehru, so many presidents, prime ministers, everybody are there. Dignitaries means what? Honorable persons, big persons. Okay. So these people also have learned like you only. So in future days you can become a ministers, you can become a prime ministers, you can become the doctors, engineers as per your wish, children. Okay. So even they have learnt in the school. All great men learned their first lessons in the schools. They were taught by ordinary teachers only. Who taught them? Teachers like us only taught them. But they studied hard under the guidance of teachers to become a big people, or to become a president, to become a dignitaries. You also should study very hard and gain something in your life. Your parents and teachers are pillars of your life. They enable you to choose your career and lead your life with dignity. That means what? In your life, two people who are their parents and teachers, they are pillars, means they will make their your steps where you can reach to the success. So you have to obey these both people in your life, so that you will be led to a great destiny of your life. Children, what is the value you learnt in this lesson? The main thing is, first is that you have to learn properly, work very hard, motivation for learning. Okay. And second is obedience to teachers. You have to obey the teachers. Now in the next video I will be explaining you your notes.